Hi all. Application number 2 or website number 2 is Smartypins by Google Maps. Most of the reason why I selected this particular one is it just looked fun to do, and I thought, well, maybe if I pass this on, somebody who's doing some kind of social studies class would be able to use this. Has a little bit of elementary arithmetic in it because it's based on a certain amount of miles or kilometers that you're given, that you try to guess places on the map based on trivia questions. When you run out of miles, the game's over for you. So you can select a category, and so guess I'm going to choose something like history and current events, and it'll come up with questions for me. So, for example, question number 1, this capital city belongs to a country that was named New Spain until its independence in 1821. Well, I'm guessing that might be Mexico. So I got to drag this map over, or this pin over rather, and put it on Mexico and submit my answer. And the correct location was Mexico City, Mexico. And that was, my pin was a certain amount away. I was 490 plus kilometers away, so that's how many kilometers I missed in the problem. Although I was trying to hit Mexico City. So next question, question 2, the British Secret Intelligence Service, also famously referred to as MI6, is located in what UK city? I think that is located in London, so I'm going to put it in London and see if I'm right. And I'm going to submit my answer, and if I can get there, nailed it, perfect, and so on. Students are able to do this until they run out of miles. I just think it's a great combination of current events and map knowledge. A couple of things, I think this would be intended for any age audience in school age, and I think students might actually find this a little bit engaging. Smartypins, a couple of the standards that I think it fits is providing alternate ways to demonstrate competency. Definitely allows students to show their knowledge of the globe and current events through an alternate way. And it's also useful, at least for students, to be able to implement formatively how much they do know about a particular topic. So that's it for now.